How to use your hands to heal. We all have powerful healing chakras in the palms of our hands. This is one of the gifts of being in a human body. You can use the energy that emanates from the center of the palms to support healing in any part of the body which is in pain or has other need of support. The process is simple. Here are the steps. Place your hands a few inches away from your body near the afflicted area. Here you will be touching the etheric body, which is holding most of the pain. Allow your attention gently to be in the area of your heart. Ask lovingly that the presence of the divine within you produce the quality of energy required to heal the body or body part. Feel the awakening of this energy in your heart area. When the heart is very full, use intention to direct that energy from the heart chakra down through the arms and out from palms of your hands into the area that needs attention. With the pure intention of loving, forgiving and healing the area, this energy will do wonders for repairing tissues, removing pain, eliminating infection, etc. If you are dealing with physical pain in the back of the body, you can put your hands on the front of your body and direct the energy through the torso to the spine and ligaments of the back. Our bodies are always trying to help our souls grow. So the deeper reason behind the damage was a gift for spiritual growth. Healing causes integration of the spiritual lesson with the physical form, allowing you to become an even more perfect expression of your true divine nature. As this process completes, you will feel better and better. This process can be repeated as often as you like. Also, the more you do it, the faster it gets. You will get to a point where you merely have to think about doing it and the energy will begin to flow, even if the hands aren't there. I hope this hand chakra activation technique serves you well. Love and gratitude.